What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching Idiots in Cars episode number 98. And now, without any further ado, thank you for the support, I love you all, and let's dive into this now. Alrighty, what do we have here? What a sophisticated lady she is. Reading while driving. Classy, until she crashes. Power in reverse! Whack! Honey, I picked up kids from school. And also I made a new entrance while I was at it. Oh, a beamer, that's bad news, bears. We all know where this one is going. Straight. Or maybe sideways into the ditch. Ha! We expected and he delivered. Nice. Oh, easy there, big guy. Come on, hold it, hit the brakes, turn. Oh, that was a love tap. But it looks like it's not over for him yet. And booyah! Now it is. That man was fighting for his life. I've never seen so much drama in 10 seconds. Damn, man. Oh my God. What was that all about? Dearie me, that was a biggie. Whoa! Whoa! Cha-cha, real smooth. Damn, man. Just when you thought you've seen everything. Well, and what is this guy doing? The dashcam guy is like, okay, I'm gonna let this interesting person go, just in case. Oh, would you look at that? Isn't that a fine V8 motor? It says Hemi, so I assume it's not fake. Oh, that was brutal. How could you? Oh, looks like we're moving on to some smoking Subarus. It kinda reminds me of Snoop Dogg. And away he goes. Bye bye, have a great time. Oh yeah, now we are talking. Ficha. Dozvoli zastava, kolega. We call this Ficha. It's amazing car, as you can see. Very fast. Power! And he's gone. That's one fun little car, I'll tell you that. And maybe, just maybe, it's not that fast when it's stock, but this one is, so it works for me. Anyways, moving on. So far so good. Oh, the wild Prius attacks! When you least expect it. That's why they're so dangerous in the wild, but moving on. Oh, look at this smart ass. Oh. Come on, man, you had one job and you both failed miserably. Damn, that was funny. Oh, looks like 5 O's on our asses, boys. You'll never catch me alive, coppers. And the cops are like, what's wrong with you? Just run away from us on the road, like every other normal person. Don't ruin the grass. And now, seriously, guys, this is the proof that they don't catch the smart ones. They really don't. Only the stupid ones. But anyways, moving on. Oh, this is another one of those ambushes, but will this guy get away? Yes, he is! Bam! Straight through them. Well done, my dude. He outplayed them completely. And I only wish that door was one of those guys, if you know what I mean. But anyways, on to the next one. I'm not a transport expert, but I think you have to secure everything you've got in a bag, or otherwise this will happen. Free furniture for everyone. Or maybe that was a giveaway, it was intentional, who knows. And what is this guy smoking?
You wanna call the cops?
Some crystals or something? Look at him! What the heck, bro?
I think we need to call the cops. This guy's crazy. He's on something.
What? He needs to change his dealer. Definitely. Let's see here. Whoa! Hold it, hold it. Oh, that's not gonna end well. Oof. Dearie me. I know it's easy to be a general after the battle, but don't make a mistake like this guy did. Don't overreact. If you can avoid him, just let him hit you, because that's much better than to wreck on your own, or possibly even worse. So you get the idea. Let's move on to some backwards trucks. Looks like. That's funny. Look at that amazing piece of art. I would like to drive one, not gonna lie. That's amazing. Look at that masterpiece. Great job, my dude. Great job. And if I was the president, I would make a new law which would be called "Let's make trucks backwards again." Whoa, god damn, man. That was a big calamity right there. Ouch, that will hurt in the morning. Oh, hello there, Bumblebee. Whoa, whoa, oh, there is so much wrong in this one. Everybody's at fault here. Basically everybody. It looks like everybody here fell from an idiot tree and hit every single branch on the way down. Whoa, whoa, dude, that's wrong way. Oh, it looks like he realized that, so he's trying to fix his mistake, and that's a good thing. Bless him. No hard feelings. But let's see, is here gonna be the same? I doubt it, but let's see. Whoa, no, no, no. What the hell? Don't pull out when... That's what she said. Don't pull out if you're not sure that someone is coming. And I don't know why this is gone sexual, but we're just gonna leave it there. Let's move on. Oh, don't. Oh, this could have been avoided completely, but for some reason that guy didn't care. The dashcam guy was just like, yep, I guess I'm just gonna crash into you. I'm not saying he's at fault, but you know, if you can avoid something, you just do it, because it's the right thing to do. Whoa, damn, man. You're incredible, you know that? Incredibly stupid.
Boom. Roasted.
Whoa! I don't know what to say, really. Alright, let's see what we have here. Whoa! Out of all those cars, you chose the worst one to crash into. Bad life decisions right there. Well, I think the Crown Vic is at fault here actually, but I don't see the sign, so I don't know for sure. Wait, where are you going, bruh? Wait, that is not a popo? What the hell? I actually thought that was the police, but nope, I was wrong. I thought they were gonna jump out and say you are under arrest for being stupid. But actually, I was wrong. But anyhow, let's see here.
Damn.
Exactly, damn, man. Why would someone do that? That was a stupid move. And now we are in a Ford, I think, and BMW sandwich. Not the greatest place to be, and oof. I honestly thought the BMW is gonna make a stupid move, but nope. The Ford came to surprise us all.
AM 790 and FM 104.3 HD2 The Ticket, broadcasting live from the NHR and Levine Accident Attorney Studio. 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3737.
And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this amazing episode. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe as well. So yeah, I really appreciate your support, guys. May the speed and power be with you. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.